What's happening, everybody? Just wanted to do a little short video because a car part came in today from Right Hand Drive Japan. I ordered a steering wheel hub because I'm going to put a Nardi steering wheel on my R32 Skyline, but the hub came in a lot faster than the steering wheel itself because the steering wheel is coming from Italy and it's taken a while. So got my packing list, as you can see, somewhere there, Right Hand Drive Japan. Super exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Make sure there's nothing else in the bag. Looks good. Boss kit. So this one in particular, I ordered from them because number one, it was a lot cheaper than I thought. Number two, because they actually had the one specific for my car. I don't have HICUS and I don't have ABS, and I also don't have an airbag. So that made the options a little bit more limited as far as which one I could get. Because the ones that you can find stateside, especially like if you use like the S13 or 300Z hub, they all have like HICUS options or ABS or something like that. And since my car doesn't come equipped with all that, I didn't need that. So, little dowel pins, all the screws to fit certain adapters on, an Allen key, a hub centric ring, and the hub itself, mating to the specific spline of my steering shaft, and then your horn button. So yeah, so that's exciting. I just wanted to share this with y'all. Little unboxing of this hub. I can't wait to get the steering wheel in. I'm going to do a full video on that, and I'm going to make sure to do an install video of everything. But I just want to do this little short video of me unboxing this, so hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because more content is coming your way. Thanks, everybody.